Hi, welcome to Two Hazy Circles, where I, Shora Munjal, your life catalyst, help you figure out how to not freeze on the stage. अगर आप कभी भी स्टेज पे गए हो तो ऐसा हुआ ही होगा कि स्टेज पे चढ़ते ही भूल ही गया क्या बोलना था. कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक. यू हैड प्रिपेयर्ड सो मच बट याद ही नहीं है क्या बोलना था. इट इज नॉर्मल. सबको डर लगता है, कोई ना कोई इनसिक्योरिटी क्रीप इन कर जाती है, कोई फियर्स होते हैं. स्टेज फ्राइट तो बहुत ही कॉमन चीज़ है. तो इस केस में क्या करना चाहिए? अब ब्लैंक अप हो ही चुके हो और कुछ सेकंड्स में आपके ऑडियंस को दिख ही जाएगा, अगर ऑलरेडी नहीं दिख गया है तो फिर क्या करना चाहिए? मेरे हिसाब से हम ह्यूमन हैं और ह्यूमंस के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, तो अपनी ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा हंसा देना चाहिए. उनके सामने मे बी अपनी इनसिक्योरिटी रख देनी चाहिए इन अ वे दैट दे कैन एक्चुअली कनेक्ट विद यू. So you can say something like, I was so prepared for this, but I had no idea that stage fright would get me like this. Now this will give you time to calm your nerves. आपकी audience हंसेगी, आपके साथ interact करेगी, आपको भी लगेगा कि okay, it's not going to be that bad. थोड़ा सा calm होगे, you will collect your nerves, and maybe then you'll kill it. So buying that little bit of time to connect with your audience and also to tell them that you are human, or you could say something smart like, hey, you guys seem to be very smart. I feel like I've forgotten everything I had to say. Let me take a moment to recollect my thoughts. Now the audience would start laughing. You've given them an affirmation also that you think they are smart, so they are going to be happy about it. किसको अपने बारे में अच्छा सुनना नहीं है? So this is a great way to make them laugh, to engage them, to make them feel special, but at the same time buying some time to get your nerve back and to remember what you had to say. Another thing that you can do is, अब ऑडियंस से ही तो डर लग रहा है, उन्हीं के सामने तो बोलने से डर लग रहा है. सो मे बी एंगेज देम इन द फर्स्ट गो. मे बी स्टार्ट बाय सेइंग समथिंग लाइक, हे आई वाज वंडरिंग व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट आउट ऑफ द सेशन. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन चूज द लैंग्वेज. हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं कि इंग्लिश में कर रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जांपल्स. यही सेम चीज़ आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो कि आपको क्या लगता है सेशन में क्या होने वाला है, हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, या मैं यहाँ पर क्यों हूँ. लेट देम आंसर. नाउ दिस विल एंगेज देम. They will also feel like you are trying to, have some sort of connection with them. It will also buy you time to think again, which is the most important thing. क्योंकि आप स्टेज पे चढ़े हो तो आप चाहते हो कि थोड़ा सा वो टाइम मिल जाए जिसमें आप वार्म अप कर लो और थोड़ा सा समझ सको कि ऑडियंस किस तरह की है. It will also like warm up your audience, not just you. So this is a great way to engage with them while calming your nerves. Another trick that I have, which works beautifully, is that I make some notes. And again, when I go on the stage, I tell them something like, oh my God, I had memorized every single thing, but I think this is too important for me, and so I have nothing to say. And then they start laughing. After which I take out my, little notes that I have made, and I tell them that, listen, this is very serious for me. See, I've made notes. Like, this is what you guys mean to me. So let me refer to them, collect my thoughts, and tell you what I had to tell. Now, these tricks sometimes act in your favor. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने ये stunt pull करा है to grab their attention. Sometimes they feel so connected with you because of what you said in the beginning. किसी को क्या पता कि आप भूल गए थे सब कुछ और ब्लैंक हो गए थे. But it feels like a technique to grab their attention and to get the session going. So it can work in your favor. You just have to do it confidently. Tell yourself that I have got this. That's it. बस constantly ये बोलते जाओ. Take some time. Take heavy, deep breath. Talking of deep breaths, that is another technique. You can ask your audience to close their eyes. Take a few deep breaths to come back in the present moment. Great technique to again get the attention of your audience. Feel like this is an opening act, but who knows again, क्या भूल गए हो सब कुछ. And it gives you time to close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and remember what you had to say. I think what I'm trying to say is nobody is asking you or expecting you to be perfect. Everyone just wants you to be honest and authentic. And if you are that, you should be okay. Public speaking is not that difficult. People want to listen to what has been said straight from the heart. That is what goes to their heart and makes an impact. So if you're honest, if you're talking about things that really matter to you, if you are trying to portray a point that means something to you, it will mean to your audience as well. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to subscribe to Two Hazy Circles, because we keep uploading such amazing content to help you become a great public speaker. And not just that, actually help you become someone who can express freely, express beautifully, both verbally and non-verbally, in all aspects of your life, personal, professional, and public. And while you're considering to subscribe, don't forget to press that bell icon, because we want you to get a notification every time we upload a video. You keep practicing, and I, Shara Manjal, will see you on the other side.